So now come to question number 6. Exercise 1, circle chapter from phase 1, mathematics. Find equation of tangent to the circle drawn from an external point. 8, 4, minus 3. Very good. They have made it very clear, external point. Even if they are not writing this word, from a point, then also there is no issue. Then also it has convey the same meaning. Two types of languages are there. Drawn at a point means point lies on the curve. From a point means point is outside. So when it is from a point, this will be something like this. This is the circle and there is a outside. Somewhere P point is there, not inside. And from this I am drawing tangents. So we can draw basically two tangents. The point is outside. We can draw two tangents. So slope of this any one tangent is suppose M. Point is given as 8, minus 3. So I will write equation of this line. General form I am giving equation of this line. Because tangent is nothing but a line. So equation of this line will y plus 3 is equal to m into x minus 8. Or mx minus y minus 8m minus 3 is equal to 0. Now if this line is tangent to this circle, what is the circle? X square plus y square minus 2x plus 8y minus 23 is equal to 0. Its center is 1, minus 4. Radius is equal to g square plus f square minus c. So 23 and this is 50. So this is under root of, this is the radius of that, 40, under root 40. Under root 40 is 2 under root 10. This is the radius. So distance of this line from the center must be equal to radius, perpendicular distance. So this suppose C R. So distance of this line 1. This is a line 1. If this line is tangent, distance from its center is how much? We have drawn the center 1, minus 4. And this radius is equal to 2 under root 10. So distance of a line from a point a alpha plus b beta plus c upon under root a square plus b square. So replace in this equation x and y by 1, minus 4. So m plus 4 minus 8m minus 3 upon under root of 1 plus m square is equal to 2 under root 10. So this will be 1 minus 7m whole square is equal to 40 into 1 plus m square. Simplify this. So 49m square minus 14m plus 1 is equal to 40 plus 40 m square. So 9m square minus 14m minus 39 is equal to 0. So from here you have to calculate value of m. By quadratic equations, you can solve 9m square minus 14m minus 39 is equal to 0. So we are getting same equation 9m square minus 14m minus 39 is equal to 0. So its two roots are there, 9m square minus 27m, or you can use by direct formula also, plus 13m minus 39 is equal to 0. Now solve it. 9m, we will have 9 minus 3 plus 13m minus 3 is equal to 0. So you will get 9m plus 13 into, so m is equal to 3 or m is equal to minus 13 upon 9. This value you can put in this equation. Number 1, you will get two lines. So 1 is mx. In this I am putting m. Case 1, m is equal to 3. If m is equal to 3, 3x minus y minus 24 minus 3 is equal to 0. So 3x minus y minus 27 is equal to 0. Next you put m is equal to minus 13 upon 9. So minus 13 upon 9x minus y minus 8 into minus 13 upon 9 minus 3 is equal to 0. So minus cancels. So 13x plus 9y minus 13 into 8, 78, 13 into 8, 104 plus 27 is equal to 0. So this will come out to be 77. So 13x. So second is 13x plus 9y minus 77 is equal to 0. So these are the two tangents. This is one tangent. This is another tangent. These are the two tangents of this. So this completes the question. Thank you.